Tell me.
Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing quite well, and in today's video I'm going to make leaf skeleton. So here you can see I have dipped my leaves in this bowl of water for about 15 days with 2 tablespoons of vinegar, any vinegar which is available, and now I'm going to peel them.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the...
Alright, as you can see, today is the 16th day and I am trying to rub the upper part of the leaf, you know, the greenish part, and I have taken this soft, quite soft toothbrush. And I just love this brush because I got it from a hotel room when we stayed in a hotel. I just found it so soft that I kept it in my bag, and this was looking quite silly, but I just loved using it for my art and craft projects. So anyways, I'm gently trying to rub this brush on this leaf, and the upper part, the greener part, can be easily, removed. As you can see, you need to be very gentle and very, very, very humble while doing it. Otherwise, you won't be able to get any skeleton.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Okay, one thing you need to be careful if you follow my recipe. Every second day or every alternative day, I used to change water of these leaves, otherwise you will get fungus all over the bowl and everywhere. So you need to be very careful. You have to change the water gently. Remove your leaves every alternative day. Just remove your leaves with your hands one by one and then change the water. And I just added vinegar once. Like the first time when I dipped them, I didn't add vinegar every alternative day while changing water. It was just 2 tablespoons, just once.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
So my leaves are 75% dried, and now I'm gently tapping my golden color all over the leaf just to give them a color. If you don't like golden and you want to do any other color, you can use any other acrylic color. Take a sponge and just color them.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me.
There you go. This is the final look of the dried leaf skeleton. Actually, I can say golden leaf skeleton. And they are just adorable. They are perfect. They look amazing. And I just love them. Please do like, subscribe, and share if you really like my creativity. Thank you so much.
I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.